Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial, I am going to share a trick of width mate by shortcut method. For that, I insert two parts, this part and this part. First of all, I apply mate, select this surface and this face. Concentric, select OK. For applying width mate, we go to advanced mate and here is the option width mate. In width selection, I select this face, rotate assembly and this face. Both faces of same part. In tab selection, I select this face, rotate assembly and this face. Select OK. Width mate is activate. This is a simple trick. You can also apply width mate by other method. For that, I delete this width mate. Now this part is free from this part. For applying width mate by simple trick, select this face, rotate assembly, select this face, rotate assembly and select this face. Now simply click here on the mate section. Width mate will be automatically selected. Select OK. See here we apply width mate by selecting the faces. You can also apply width mate by this trick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.